You are watching Rogue News.
At the airport, have you ever wrestled with a rebellious suitcase, overpacked yet feeling unprepared? This common struggle among business travelers turns trips into ordeals. Today, more than ever, mastering the art of packing light and smart is essential. The stress of deciding what to pack often leads to luggage filled with unused just-in-case items, adding not just physical weight but a mental burden too. Join us as we explore minimalist packing strategies, ensuring you travel light, look professional, and leave the packing predicament behind. Welcome to Minimalist Packing 101, where we redefine business travel, leaving behind the heavy suitcases of yesterday. Let's start with wardrobe essentials, a versatile blazer and dress shoes that transition smoothly from day to night, ensuring professionalism in any setting. In the digital age, gadgets are indispensable, yet simplicity reigns supreme. Opt for multi-purpose devices, a smartphone that captures quality photos, a compact power bank, and noise-canceling earbuds that double as a conference call microphone. The secret to maximizing suitcase space? Roll, don't fold your clothes. This technique not only saves space but keeps your attire wrinkle-free and accessible. Embrace the what is over the what ifs, focusing on necessities, stripping away the excess. Minimalist packing streamlines your travel, allowing for effortless airport navigation and enabling a seamless shift between business and leisure. This approach doesn't just save time, it enriches your journey, focusing on what's truly important. Imagine navigating the airport with just a sleek carry-on, embodying the essence of minimalist travel. This efficiency isn't a luxury, but a choice accessible to all. Stepping off the plane, you are the epitome of professionalism and readiness, unburdened by excess luggage. There's profound relief in this simplicity, replacing the chaos of overpacking with the peace of having everything you need. Embracing minimalist packing transforms not only how we travel, but our perspective on the journey. Travel lighter, arrive in style, and redefine professionalism on the go.
You are watching Rogue News. We are AI-driven news for real people.